Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this video today I'm going to change the gear rod selector seal for a new one. As you can see there, that's the new one lined up against the old one, and the old rod was in a sorry state, and somebody had tried to seal it with silicone sealant. You can see the O-ring there is knackered, and there's also extra silicone on it where there shouldn't be. That's the dust shield, water shield. Again, that's covered in sealant and silicone or what have you. So let's jump to it and get on with the job in hand. Well, that's a pin out. Now I need to get this this old washer thing out so I can replace it with a new one. There should be a little dust cover on that as well, I think. Well, there is certainly in the kit. So yeah, I need to get that out. I mean, look at this. This is what they've put around it to stop the leak. The leak's obviously coming from there. So once we get that new one in, I'll give this a clean up and get rid of that horrible silicone. So anyway, I need to get this out somehow. I'll try a pick first, if not I'll drill it out. As you can see, that's all covered in silicone. So that's out anyway. And if I get you in here, you'll get a better view of the leak. You can see the oil starting to come out of that. So I need to get that seal out now, and I think that's where it's going to need to drill, so that I can drill a hole in it and then pull it out. So let's give that a go. There we go. It's came out with a drill bit, which is an absolute bonus. And I haven't even drilled right through it. Even better. Right, let's get that hole cleaned up and pop the new seal in. Right, it was at this point that the batteries in the microphone just decided to stop working. So I'm giving it a little clean up here, and once I've cleaned it, I've just got a little spotty oil here, which I'm putting on the O-ring. Just a tiny little drop. It just helps it seal and also helps it slide in quite easy. Once I've got it in there, I've just used a deep reach socket and then just pushed the seal home. There's no hammering required for that part. Once the seal was on, I got the dust shield or water shield, put that in place, and then just gave that a little tap with the deep reach socket, and that secured it in there. Now this was a bit of a faff. It taken several attempts to get this in because of the tension on that gator, but once it was in, it was an absolute doddle. And to finish off with, I'm just scraping the abortion of a previous repair off it, and there you go, that's it fitted. Well guys, I think that wraps that up for today. Nice quick easy job. In real time scale it should probably take you about half an hour, although I've severely cut this down. I would guess about half an hour to do the job. So if you haven't liked the video, please give it a like. If you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.